Photo! Where you at now, bitch? Where you at, bitch? What up, YouTubians, YouTubers, fellows, goats, gods? You know, I really gotta stop doing this at the beginning of my videos. I really don't even know what I be talking about when I say this shit. So, it's super nice outside again. You guys might as well just call me a weatherman, because all I do in these videos now is just ride like an idiot and talk about the weather. So basically, should I call myself like Moto Weatherman or something? Like, should I switch the name up? Whatever. I just talk about random things, and now I'm starting to notice it, and I can't stop doing it because now I'm thinking about and saying random things. I don't know what I'm talking about, bro. Help me! Alright, but anyways, we are on our way to meet up with the boy, ZX10Cs. He just got his bike back from the shop, threw some new tires on it, got the cam chain tensioner redone on it. I think that's what it was, because he had chain slap or something. So his bike is minty right now. Hopefully this wind is not too loud. I moved my mic, and I kind of moved the dead cat on it so it covers the mic a little bit more, because I've been noticing a lot more wind noise now that this cooler weather's coming and it's a lot windier out. So hopefully this helped it out a little bit, but we shall see. But yeah, we are on the way to meet up with C's, and yeah, we're gonna go hit this road for you guys and get a nice little ride in, and hopefully the footage looks great. This is gonna be my first time recording in a flat color profile with 10-bit color depth. For all you guys that don't care, just skip what the fuck I'm talking about right now. But for everyone that does care, have any idea about filming or anything like that, I'm trying to get the content and the colors as crisp as possible. So I'm gonna do a lot of color grading and post-processing, and when I film in like with GoPro color, it ruins the after color when I go into post and try to edit it. So this may come out like crap, it may come out good, I have no idea, but I'm gonna upload it regardless of if it looks like shit, because I'm spending time filming it. But yeah, I'm gonna cut this off for now. I'll light you guys back up. Wow, why did I say that? What am I talking about? Why do I say these corny things? I'm gonna turn the camera back on once we meet up with C's and we start heading that way. But I'll catch y'all in a little piece. I'm gonna mute him. Y'all need to go roast this dude. This man shows up late to every occasion. He like got stuck in traffic, couldn't find his way here. He's got me pulled over in the shoulder of the road, trying to wait for him. Like, bro, what is this? What is this nonsense, bro? I gotta mute him. If y'all don't have him on anything, go follow him. And when y'all go, he's yelling in my ear right now, trying to explain to me why he's not here yet. Just go follow him at ZX10Cs. I'm gonna pop it up right here. And make sure to go roast the cheese out this man, bro, because he's freaking annoying. This dude's like, what are you doing, bro? Blocking the road. This dude's got me blocking the roadways and shit, bro. This brother right here. There he is. Look at this bozo. Oh my goodness. This guy right here, bro, always showing up late to the occasion. I know he's roasting me for my shoes right now. I already know it. And I got no gear on. I already know what he's roasting me for. Look at him. I know he is. Stop roasting me! We're like in the middle of farmland right now. What is this? Alright, I'm gonna cut the camera off until we get there, because there's not really anything to do until we get to the spot. So I hope this wind isn't blowing y'all eardrums off right now, but I'll be back. What is that road? Oh, that's like a dirt road or something? Alright. Yo, did we just send it or like no? Second gear up in the RPMs right there. This is my first time out here on this bike. See, this is the road that sucks. This straightaway just runs. Like, Fredo's gonna be like, got gear on. I feel like I'm not indestructible. It's kind of nice out here, low key. Oh, there's a dip. Oh, fuck! Oh. Bumpy ass road. What the hell? That just said, No, I just gotta fix my camera and shit, so I'm gonna pull over right here. I forgot to turn my camera back on at the beginning of the road, but we are gonna head back down the way we just came, because to get to the road we want to go the other way is like 27 minutes and it's too far. I don't feel like doing all that. I'm trying to go get some coffee because I am low on energy right now. That shadow go kind of crazy, bro. Oh, yeah. That bump! Bro, I was trying to lock in and catch up, and all I heard was bump. This is a bump! Two squids trying to wheelie, bro. Make sure we're still recording. Fido! Where you at now, bitch? Where you at, bitch? That's the only good turn in this place. Oh! Holy shit balls. That one was mine. What is this squid doing, bro? Don't hit me. up. Bet. Eat it up, boy. Yeah! Let that thing out, you heard? Huh? Your headset died? Oh. He got it up. Oh shit! Yeah! That shit look nasty. Squidward. What the hell is this? What the shit balls? Some gas in the horse real quick. She's still good. I just want to top it off because we're driving kind of crazy. And if the police are like, hey buddy, pull over, I'm unfortunately going to exercise my Mexican passport. Come on. Come on, bitch. Yeah. No. Yes. Come home. Are you gonna fuel, brother? Please. Oh my god. We gotta take some flickaroos. Okay, pussy. Fuck you too. Huh? They got napkins there? Is it what? They got napkins there? I don't know. Huh? Oh, you're right. I was gonna film him and I'm pretty sure I'm live right now. Let me try. Hello, gang. This is what happens when you get in front of a brother that hates lane split. I'm like wondering why he wasn't catching up. I'm like, bro, what is this doing? He's scared to lane split? No, he's just stuck behind a cop. He looks so mad. I was like, yo, what is Caesar doing, bro? Is he scared to catch up to me? Nah, there was a cop. That is funny as fuck, bro. That is hilarious. I was gonna lane split to you, and I didn't realize. Oh my god. Type of NPC activities. Alright, bro. Alright, y'all. This is most likely going to be the end of this video. It was a fun little ride. I don't know how much footage we got or how long this video is going to be, but I hope y'all enjoyed the content. I hope y'all love my videos, baby. Yeah, I forgot to tell y'all earlier, but as always, make sure I'm going to put my Instagram up right here. Make sure y'all go follow me on Instagram. Like the videos, comment on them, put me on that algorithm so we can get popping and I could do more giveaways for y'all. I'm going to put the TikTok up right here. Make sure to go follow me on TikTok. TikTok is not as good as Instagram, but I want to be a TikToker, bro. So get me popping on the TikTok, you heard? And then I'm going to put the YouTube up. You guys already know if you're watching this video, but if it was sent to you, you've seen it somewhere else, whatever it may be, make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. Make sure you turn on post notifications. If you don't know how to do that, hit that little bell in the top right corner and then put all notifications on. It doesn't matter if you don't want to watch my videos, just do it and then decline the notification that I posted a video or a short. That's all. But as always, I love you guys. Ride safe, be careful, keep the shiny side up. as always, baby, don't erase yourself. I love y'all. Till next time, baby. Peace.
Pretty please, drink all of this liquor in my cup. Pretty please, drink all of this liquor in my cup. Pretty please, drink all of this liquor in my cup. Pretty please, drink all of this liquor in my cup. I got my drinking.